Today I'm making lemon cream pie. If you want to see more desserts like this, please subscribe, like, and share. Leave a comment in the comment section below. It helps my number. Thank you. You will need 1 cup heavy cream, ½ cup lemon juice, a brick of cream cheese, yellow food coloring, a lemon for decoration, sweetened condensed milk, and a graham cracker crust. On to the recipe. The first thing you got to do when you're whipping cream is you got to chill your bowl. It helps the whipping cream whip better. While your big bowl is chilling, bring the cream cheese to room temperature. Once this is softened a little bit, we're going to be beating it 2 minutes. Then we'll add the condensed milk. We're going to beat for 2 minutes the cream cheese. Now we're going to slowly add the sweetened condensed milk. I'll add a little bit now and blend it. Since it's blended in, we're going to add some yellow food coloring to it. I did 2 squirts. We'll see how it works. I never used a gel kind before. So we got to add the lemon juice. We're going to put this aside so we can whip our whipping cream. Then we'll be combining the two. I added the whipping cream to the chill bowl and I started whipping it. Now we're going to add some of the lemon in a little bit at a time. And you're going to fold it in. Now that it's mixed up, we'll put it in a graham cracker crust. We're just adding it all in. And make sure it's to the edges. Then we'll put it in the fridge to set up before we decorate. That's what it looks like. Now we'll let it refrigerate a while so it can set up. I had saved this from an Edwards pie. It fits on top of it nicely. So you can keep it covered in the fridge. See the little hacks you learn on my channel? You will never think about reusing that Edwards pie cover lid that comes with the pie. You can even reuse the tin if you want to save some money. Now for the garnish, you got to keep it together and peel it all in one strip. Good luck to me, because I suck at this. I could never do it. Now my mama was a pro at this, but I didn't inherit that gene. Rats. think I did pretty good. Got to the bottom. Now we roll it up. Keep it together and you just roll it up. Like so. And it's going to form a rose. See, that's how my rose looks. And I'll put it on my pie. Put it in the center. And then I'll decorate with whipped cream. Just go make stars. Just squeeze it and pull it up. See how it looks? I'm going to do that with the whole pie. This is what it looks like after you get done decorating it. I'll bring you around for a better view. This is what it looks like done. Please like, share, and subscribe. Make sure to leave comments in the comment section below. It helps my number. Thank you and have a good day.